Creativity flows best when your mind and energy are in perfect harmony, and the right crystals can amplify your inspiration like never before. Whether you're a writer, artist, musician, or content creator, these powerful crystals can help spark fresh ideas, overcome blocks, and keep you in a flow state. In this video, we'll share our top crystals for creatives. Links to all the crystals mentioned are in the description below. Now let's get started. Carnelian, the artist's stone. Carnelian ignites motivation, creativity, and passion, making it a must-have for breaking through creative blocks. Its warm, vibrant energy fuels inspiration and helps you express bold ideas with confidence. Ancient Egyptians used carnelian to inspire courage and creativity in their artistic pursuits. Place it on your desk or in your workspace to stimulate fresh ideas, or carry it with you to stay energized throughout the day. During meditation, hold carnelian to spark new insights and align your energy with productivity. Fluorite, the focus stone. Fluorite brings mental clarity and sharpens focus, helping creatives channel their energy into productive work. It clears mental fog and enhances problem-solving skills, making it ideal for complex projects. Keep it on your desk to stay focused while brainstorming or working on detailed tasks. Use it in meditation to quiet distractions and organize your thoughts. Amethyst, the intuitive muse. Amethyst enhances intuition and imagination, helping creatives tap into their inner muse. Its calming energy clears mental clutter and fosters spiritual connection, making space for visionary ideas. Historically, amethyst has been used by artists and writers to unlock higher levels of creativity. Meditate with amethyst to access inspired thoughts or place it near your workspace to maintain a serene and focused environment. It's also great for inspiring vivid dreams. Keep it by your bed to spark creative ideas while you sleep. Labradorite, the magic stone. Labradorite unlocks imagination and enhances creativity, making it the perfect crystal for exploring new ideas and concepts. Its mystical flashes of color inspire visionary thinking and help creatives tap into their unique potential. Carry it with you for daily inspiration, or place it in your workspace to enhance brainstorming sessions. Meditate with Labradorite to dive into your creative subconscious and discover innovative solutions. Blue Lace Agate, the expression stone. Blue lace agate is the ultimate crystal for authentic self-expression. Its soothing energy clears creative anxiety and encourages clear communication, making it perfect for writers, speakers, and performers. Keep it close while writing or creating to overcome self-doubt and let your ideas flow naturally. Hold blue lace agate during meditation to connect with your voice and articulate your vision with ease. We're down to the final 2 crystals, and trust me, you won't want to miss them. They're perfect for unlocking the flow state and sparking inspiration. But first, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little creative inspiration. Now, let's get back to the list. Aquamarine, the flow stone. Aquamarine supports mental clarity and effortless flow, helping creatives move past blocks and maintain momentum. Associated with the ocean, aquamarine inspires smooth, fluid thinking and calm confidence. Keep it on your desk to stay grounded while working, or meditate with it to align with your natural rhythm of creativity. Sunstone, the inspiration stone. Sunstone radiates joy, confidence, and creativity, igniting the spark of inspiration for bold, authentic expression. Known as a stone of personal power, Sunstone dispels self-doubt and fear, encouraging you to embrace your creative potential. Place Sunstone in your workspace to cultivate an inspiring environment, or carry it to boost your confidence and motivation throughout the day. These crystals are your ultimate toolkit for unlocking creativity, focus, and inspiration. Scan this QR code, or use the links in the description to access all the featured crystals. This video is part of our Crystals for Every Intention series, where we share the best crystals to enhance every aspect of your life. Want to keep your creative energy flowing? Watch the next video in our energy healing playlist to uncover more ways to spark inspiration and amplify your creative potential.